welcome to
Rohit
NDTV. Look
Khilnani.
here, who is here looking absolutely dashing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations.
This jacket is quite something.
Congratulations for your new launch. We were there.
Thank you, sir.
Many congratulations.
Can't go anywhere without it. Zaher by
Absolutely.
Kam Bari.
These events happen for people like you, Ranveer.
Really?
And just look at you. How much time does it take to decide what you're wearing?
Me, it takes a couple of minutes because Natasha already does everything for me. I just have to be like, okay.
And what does it take for people to get a Ranveer Singh to an event like this?
मतलब लोग प्यार देते हैं, हम प्यार लेने के लिए ever ready हैं.
हम पहुंच जाते हैं.
हाँ.
Looking forward to the big night?
Yeah, apparently it's going to end very soon, so I should
So you
get
should
going.
go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. See.
Thank you.
I'm wearing a Dice Kayak. Thank you so much. It's a Parisian designer. Thank you.
Right, looking forward to the big night. What are you expecting?
Nothing. Actually, it's good to keep your expectations low and just go and discover the evening.
Great. Lastly, acting is one part of your job. Attending these events and being at fashion events is another part. Do you enjoy both?
If I'm extremely honest, this not so much.
Okay, thank you. We got it. Thank you so much for talking to us. Raj looking very, very handsome.
Thank you so much.
Tell me what you're looking forward to.
I'm looking forward to a great evening to meet all my colleagues inside and to see some amazing people dressed amazingly.
And where did you pick up these shades from? They are very
Well,
cool.
my stylist, Akshat Tyagi,
Right.
he's just given it to me.
Great.
Yeah.
Being a celebrity, acting is one part of it, and events like this is one part of it. Do you enjoy both?
Of course, I enjoy acting the most, and this, of course, I think it's a part of the job now.
Right.
Of course, you have to attend events and functions. But being here, of course, it's fun.
Right.
I like being at GQ and a couple of other award functions. Yeah.
Great. Before you go, you want to tell the viewers what to expect this year?
This year, there's Mental Kya, which is about to release. Then there's Made in China. Then I have Turam Khan. Then there's Anurag Basu's next.
Radhika looking lovely as always. What are you wearing?
Nunishka.
Right. Great. Looking forward to the big night?
I am really looking forward to it.
I'm asking this question to everyone that acting is one part of your job and attending events like this is one. Do you enjoy both?
Now I do.
Now I do?
Yeah.
Right now you do. Tell me, would you dress up for the airport?
No.
No. But do you like the perhaps standing outside restaurants, pubs, health clubs?
No.
Like you? No. Great. And before you go, you want to tell the viewers what to expect in the coming year?
I mean, this year for me?
Yeah.
Well, I have a couple of Hollywood films releasing. I'm filming one right now with Hani Trehan, and there are a couple in the pipeline which I'll announce soon.
Great. Thank you. So a lot of work. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you very much.
Kalki, good to see you always. Looking lovely as always.
Thank you.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing jade.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Tell me, Kalki, you look so comfortable in every clothing that we see you on Instagram or wherever. Is there a mantra or you choose what you're comfortable in?
My mantra is I change every day.
You change every day. And you change the mantra also every day. Great. Tell me, acting is one part of it, and being a celebrity, events like these are one part of it.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy both?
I do. I would say that this is not my main priority. Acting is, and but definitely, like today, I feel pretty good. I feel
and
pretty
you are
good.
looking pretty good. What are you looking forward to for the big night? What are you expecting?
Expecting to see lots of beautiful men
Right.
and women.
There are out there, I'm told.
And nothing much. Just catching up with everyone, watching who wins what. That's it.
Fatima, always good to see you. Looking lovely, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
fantastic.
Thank you so
What are you wearing?
Falguni and Shane Peacock.
Great. Tell me, are nights like these stressful, or are they? Do you plan what you're going to wear days in advance on the day?
Yeah, like a few days in advance because I get really excited. I want to dress up. I like dressing up.
Yeah.
And I have sweet people who really style me.
Right.
Ami Patel,
Of course. Yeah.
I think she's styled me every time. So
Right. Also, looking forward to the big night. What are you expecting?
I'm just expecting it to be really a lot of fun.
Right. Acting is one part of
Yes.
the things you do, and this is another part.
Yes.
Do you enjoy this as well?
Not always. Not when I'm coming out of the gym all haggard and I get clicked. But now I've gotten used to it. I've become friends with the
All
paps.
Yeah. What about, would you dress up for the airport?
ओ नो प्लीज सुबह उठ के ना वो प्लेन में बैठना है तभी मैं इतना सोचूंगी नहीं कि क्या पहन के जाना है.
Looking lovely. Who has styled you, tell us?
Mohit Rai.
Amazing. Is this your personal style as well? You would pull this off, wear this off whenever you
This
want?
is actually the second time I've come out of my house. not wearing a pajama or a tracksuit. So I like to do it, but and this is the first time I'm attending GQ.
Right.
So yeah, I'm very excited. Like I'm all
Great.
dressed
And
up.
Photograph is just released. Still enjoying the reactions because we read some fabulous things about it.
Yeah, the reviews were really good. It's not there anymore, but I'm really happy with the film. I'm really proud of it. Now it's releasing in US
And also it will release online so we can all still watch it. That's why
in a month or two.
in a month
Yeah.
or two. Great. Looking forward to the big night.
Yes, I am. This is my first time, as I said, I'm attending GQ.
Great. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, every place is the right place to talk about Made in Heaven, enjoying the reactions. enjoying the
Thank you.
success.
Yeah. It's been wonderful.
Right. What about you? Hearing good things wherever you go?
Yeah. It's great.
It's great. Tell me about talking about this night. How Zoya first, people like you all always clicked everywhere you go. How important are these events? And would you dress up for an airport look, things like that?
No, I mean I dress up. Yes, I dress up for the flight.
Yeah.
I dress up so that
For
I'm
yourself.
comfortable. Yeah, on a plane, and I dress up so that I'm warm on the flight.
Right.
So that's my airport look.
Right.
Comfort and warmth, the air conditioning, and yeah, I mean you have to dress appropriately to where you're going. That's
Wherever
it.
you're going.
Yeah.
Right. What about you? You also clicked everywhere. Does it add pressure when you go to the airport, leave the restaurant, leave the gym?
No. Have you seen me normally? No, it doesn't add pressure.
Well, you guys are looking lovely. Looking forward to the big night.
Thank you. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Good to see you always looking lovely.
Thank you.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Ashish Soni.
Amazing. Tell me, what about how are these events so relevant for all celebrities like you guys? What do you look forward to when you come here?
Well, I really like dressing up,
Right.
so it's like also the before of coming here, so it's a lot of fun.
Right.
And when I get here, I guess I just love meeting all my friends because we don't get to see each other a lot.
Right.
So I'm just excited to see who's here and what they're wearing and who's gonna win all these awards.
You people look forward to a lot of posts on Instagram. Is there an Instagram mantra?
Dude, I think I'm addicted. Like, I think this is honestly a drug at this point because I get so addicted to this. Like, I'm on the phone and I'll be talking to someone and then I'll just be like, okay, Instagram.
Hi, so nice to see you again. All set for the big night.
One more great night.
How do you guys pull this off?
Well, it's over 10 years now for GQ, and then
Right.
include Vogue, that's 12. Multiply that by 40 events. Maybe this probably is our 500th event.
Wow, do you have a count of, sometimes do you lose count of how many there are in a year?
Almost. I mean, and my biggest nightmare is that I'm at a GQ award show and I think I'm at the Vogue one. So
Right.
I don't want
Right.
to make that gaffe. But
You know,
yeah.
one great thing that you all always manage is to get the big names. Tell us what is the secret?
Simple, just the power of the brand.
It's the
I
power
think-
of the brand.
Yeah, and I guess in the industry we are the last men and last women standing. So
Absolutely. And also tell me, have things changed after social media? Are things big for even, an award function like this? Is it important to have everything on social media? Are you one of those who follow that?
Well, I
as
think we were very early in the game.
Right.
We reinvented our business way back, starting in 2012.
Right.
So today we are genuinely a multimedia business where social media, digital video, television, events, ground,
Right.
experiential, print, it's all amalgamation of that. So we just follow the journey of a typical reader, viewer of ours, and we live their life.
Now let's take a look at the big winners of the night.
We're gathered here tonight to celebrate pioneers, change makers, and trendsetters in fashion, art, and entertainment. This award show was conceptualized last year by the good people at GQ because they figured that despite the fact that people had this superpower of being able to turn heads everywhere they go, and despite the fact that they have incessant social media validation consistently, stylish people were just not getting the credit that they deserved. Last year, we called it the Style Awards. But this year, we're calling it the GQ Style and Culture Awards because, like Bollywood has taught us, style comes first, culture is an afterthought. We're going to kick off the presentation ceremony with a very special award. It goes to an American menswear icon. He's been described by the New York Times as a one-man brand and is an inspiration to stylish men across the world. The best part is, he just seems to be getting hipper with age. To present the award for International Man is none other than the Editor-in-Chief of GQ India, Shay Kurian.
Good evening. It gives me great pleasure to present the International Man Award to the very cool Nick Wooster.
Thank you. Thank you, Che, and thank you, GQ India. It's really a great honor to be here. It's my first time to be in India, and wow, it's really an amazing place. To GQ, I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Our next winner is a dynamic young actress who infuses each character she plays with enormous passion and strength of will, whether it's a vengeful entrepreneur in Badla or a wayward Juliet in Manmarziya. To present the award for excellence in acting, please welcome the new cool kids on the block, Vijay Verma and Varun Mitra.
We're here to present the award for the excellence in acting, and the award goes to...
Excellence in acting goes to my favorite Sikhni, Taapsee Pannu.
Good evening, everyone. GQ, well, it's the first event I'm attending for GQ where I'm getting an award. So yes, thank you so much, GQ. This means really something special, not just because it's first, but also because it's for acting. And thankfully, people believe that I can act. So this feels nice. Thank you so much for making my evening special.
Our next winner is an iconoclast, a word that is as hard to pronounce as her last name is. Her love for indie labels and gender-fluid style mirrors her passion for alternative cinema. An actor, podcaster, and spoken word enthusiast, she's leading the tribe of creative outliers. I'd like to invite the gorgeous Sapna Pabi and Mr. Prashant Datta from Hugo Boss Eyewear to present the Style Maven Award.
Award for Style Maven goes to...
So happy. Kalki Kachle.
Thank you so much, GQ, for a Style Maiden award. And thank you to the people who style me, Pranay and Shaunak, and Ekta Rajani, and Shrija Rajgopal, and who else? Sanjana Batra, and many more. So thank you very much.
Thank you, congratulations, Kalki. Our next winner is a prolific method actor. Method acting. The thing you have to do when you don't come from a Bollywood family. Our rule breaker proved his mettle a while ago, and now he's just out to play. I'd like to invite on stage the very beautiful Esha Gupta and exuberant Parmesh Shahani to present our Rule Breaker Award.
The Rule Breaker Award goes to...
Rajkumar Rao.
Well, thank you. GQ, it means a lot to me. I always seek to be a rule breaker. I always seek to be unconventional and doing things differently. But now I'm also getting an award for that. So I think it's just so amazing. So thank you so much. This means a lot.
Our next winners are behind two of the most woke pop cultural moments of 2019. With their finger firmly on the pulse of what makes urban India tick, our most forward-thinking duo is already scripting a new chapter in the Bollywood story. Our presenter for the Creative Powerhouse Award is menswear Dawn, Arjun Khanna. Let's give him a warm GQ welcome on stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So this award, Creative Powerhouse, Zoya Akhtar and Reema Kangthi.
This is Tiger Baby's first award, so it's really special. Thank you, GQ, and thank you, Che.
Thank you, GQ, for validating us. This is our first award for our company. So, yeah, so thank you for telling us we are on the right track. Thank you.
Awards for the night. On screen and off it, our most stylish woman knows how to keep it classy. An actor par excellence, a powerhouse producer, and an animal rights activist. She's unafraid to make bold choices, racking up big wins in every single thing she takes on. Here to give away the award for the most stylish woman, it's my pleasure to welcome the Managing Director of Condé Nast India, Mr. Alex Kuruvilla.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most stylish woman of the year goes to Ranveer, not you this time. You'll have to wait till next year. To Anushka Sharma.
Good evening. Don't I look like I'm competing with Ranveer Singh? I read a couple of comments also of the pictures that I've put up. And see, Ranveer, this is the position that you've created for yourself. And I think you should be proud of that. Fashion is something which is incredibly original and very, very personal to me. And I think it feels extremely gratifying to be recognized for that. But I definitely cannot think that, you know, this is possible without the team that works behind you. And to me, those people are my friends. It's my stylist, Alia. We've been working together for the longest time, and this really does belong to her and her team of incredibly talented girls. And thank you, GQ, for recognizing that and for this lovely evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now it's that time of the evening. Our final award of the night goes to GQ's all-time favorite. He's a force of nature, a rebel, an artist, a style legend, a poet, a superstar. He belongs to this hood, the 050, and his love for the city is so deep, it's clear in his sublime turn in Gully Boy. To announce the Most Stylish Man Award, please welcome on stage GQ's reigning Woman of the Year, Radhika Apte.
And GQ's Most Stylish Man is Ranveer Singh.
Guys, really, thank you for this. Most stylish man. Stylish, style. Style क्या होता है यार? You authentically express yourself and then over a period of time that gets recognized as one's style. So thank you to Nitasha Gaurav, who I've been working with for years, who indulges me, encourages me to express myself without filter and fearlessly. I don't fear being judged. I just wear whatever the hell I feel like. And yeah, some people like it, some people hate it. It is what it is. Wow, there are a lot of beautiful people in the crowd tonight. आज पैसा नहीं मिला perform करने का, लेकिन मन बहुत कर रहा है. Last thing, I promise.
Don't worry, take your time. I'm having fun. Are you guys having fun? Woo! There we go.
Everybody at some point has struggled. Everybody at some point comes from small beginnings, relatively. And you work hard, you follow your passion. And then, at some point, with the blessings of the Almighty, you are where you want to be. The main event at the GQ Awards.
Well, I don't think we could have had a better ending to these awards. Once again, a huge round of applause for all of our winners, please.
Well, that's all we have on GQ Style and Culture Awards. For more news and updates, stay tuned to NDTV 24/7.